Oh, is this from Uncle Bobby? Oh. Uncle Bobby. Uncle Bobby.
Oh my goodness. Who is that? What is it?
Oh God, is this a parrot?
Did you get a parrot?
Good job. Alex.
All right, Alex.
Can I open this for you? Alex.
Yes, we did.
You open the box? No, wait.
You ready to do something?
Oh boy.
Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. Say something, Alex.
What do you think?
You gotta speak. You gotta talk out.
Say,
Say, I love Uncle Bobby.
he's like, I don't know what to think at this point.
Yeah, he's not sure about this.
Fancy pants.
What are you doing? You think
Say
it's
fancy pants.
Say something.
Say something. Boo.
What does the horsey say, Alex?
Oh my God.
What does the sheep say? What's the sheep say?
Oh, Bobby, that's classic.
Good time.
That's it.
I bet you Bobby had some fun with that before he
I know.
Yes, he did.
I love you, Bobby. I love you, Bobby.
Bobby, you're the best.
What should he say, Alex?
Whoa.
No more presents, sir.
He's not sure what to think of this.
What do you think, Bob?
What do you think, Alex?
You like that?
What is it?
What is it?
Tell me. You tell me. What is it? Something smoking crack. Where's Candy?
Abby.
Oh, I was like, where's That's okay, huh?
Katie, just sit, please. Just relax.
It's flapping in the sky.
Alright, we're gonna change your clothes. What do? You have to push a button?
Tired?
No, it just
No,
automatically.
you turn it on. You
What's
just
up,
turn it on.
The upper is
So
right here.
I'll be like, Bill, get out.
Take,
Be like,
take the batteries out, yeah.